Introducing the iVoy Titan Pro electric scooter, one of the most powerful electric scooters available on the market today. Powered by a 48-volt, 1200-watt dual motor for a combined 2400 watts of performance, there won't be a hill you can't conquer. 32-mile-an-hour top speed and a 40-mile range means you can shred, rain or shine. The Titan is super portable with a quick-release seat and foldable locking frame, C and DC with extremely bright front and rear lights. Large, high-traction 10-inch tires for superb on- and off-road performance and a key ignition. Featuring 3 speed modes, high performance, commute, and economy. Get extreme with 35-degree hill climbing ability. Dual rear suspension and a 24-inch ultra-wide base make this the most high-performing scooter on the market today. iVoy. Have fun.
Hey, what's up guys? It's time for some more exciting news from Apollo. 2021 has already been a huge year for us with the release of our flagship Apollo Phantom and the announcement of our new entry-level urban commuter, the Apollo Air and Air Pro. Now, we're very excited to announce some updates and improvements to one of the most beloved scooters, the Apollo Explorer. While it can be hard to improve in perfection sometimes, we listened to all your feedback on what changes you wanted to see most, and we took it to heart. That's why, with the new updated 2021 Apollo Explorer, you'll see these key improvements. New, stronger, more rigid rear fender design. Made of thicker material, it's now held on with 8 heavy-duty screws, doubling up its tensile strength. So, while it doesn't mean it's okay to stand on now, it does mean less fender rattle and continued protection against water and debris. Your kickstand should, well, stand. That's why we have implemented and installed a custom-designed bracket at the factory level, giving your kickstand something stronger to hold on to, and providing the kind of long-term stability you won't see from investing in GameStop. Everyone wants to be more well-rounded these days, including the deck on the Explorer. Featuring the same sleek deck design and shape as the Apollo Ghost, it also offers improved lighting and a seamless design, meaning less shin bruises and more aerodynamics. They say the pin is mightier than the sword. Or maybe it's the pen. But in our case, it's the folding pin on the locking mechanism, which is now extended and features 2 locking bolts on either side to keep it in place. It's the only rolling pin you should have in your kitchen, not in your scooter. While these may not seem like huge changes, we believe that small details make a big difference, allowing you to explore more. At Apollo, we're always striving to improve and innovate, and we couldn't do it without you, our loyal community. We thank you for your continued support, and we look forward to delivering bigger and better things. As always, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. We hope you ride safe.
What if you could save on parking, power up a coffee maker, and travel from point A to point B using just one device? With Balto, you can. Weighing in at just 37 pounds and traveling 20 miles at 17 miles per hour on just one charge. Balto is our newest, most innovative, most versatile e-scooter yet. Even better, it's just half the cost of an average e-bike. Let's see how it all stacks up. Balto transforms into a moped with one easy-to-add attachment, so you get to choose: sit for a comfortable cruise or stand and go for a joyride. Outrunning errands? Don't worry, with Balto, it won't take a balancing act. Our easy-to-add attachment also comes with a basket, making it convenient to sit or stand and carry your bags. Now, when other scooters run out of charge, they're stuck. But with Balto, you can simply swap your battery and be on your way. Not to mention, the water-resistant design guarantees you'll glide on without worry, rain or shine. And say goodbye to limited space. We traded that for a new spacious platform. But we're still not done. Balto features our patented dolly design, rolling comfortably behind you when you're on the go, and folding into just 1 square foot when you reach your destination. Leave it in your trunk or store it discreetly in a small closet or the corner of your apartment. At night, ride with confidence knowing new and high-powered headlights, brake lights, and turn signals are keeping you seen and safe. And finally, a feature no e-scooter has offered before, Balto's battery transforms into a powerful 500-watt AC power station. So next time the power goes out or you're out adventuring, simply connect your battery to a Glan inverter to power up your laptops, TVs, power tools, or even a coffee maker. That's going above and beyond transportation, making it safe to say that from safety to speed, convenience to comfort, portability to price, fun and freedom, Balto is bypassing other electric vehicles left and right. Are you ready to ride?